half of the towel should be on the half of the bed lengthwise, ha? Hindi po pwedeng dyan. Kasi pag inopen mo yan, mas marami dito. Don't neglect. So, kailangan. That is the rationale why we are looking at the half crosswise and lengthwise. Okay? And then, again, you have to roll again. Should be like this. Rolled and rolled and rolled. Next. After that.
The next
Halas, ha?
You need to
This is the third, the last one. Okay? So what would be the next is
You need
to
to move the
turn
patient.
again the patients on the right with a good coordinations with your
partner.
partner. Okay? So we have to move the patients back to the right by the count of 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Then,
So again, I will
Cross
receive the
leg mo pa
patient.
ganun?
Cross the left, left over the right leg. Again, to like this. Okay, cross the arms again. Eh, stiff itong si Janet.
Matig.
Ano, supposedly na lang. Okay? So, now,
complain ka na.
Okay?
Janet, are you okay?
Okay, 1, 2,
One,
3.
two,
Okay. So, running tayo.
So, how are you going? Kunyari lang na sa inyo. Ma'am, hawakan mo ha. Doon ako sa
Dito na sa
kapila. I will show you. So, these are all considered dirty. Ang dumi-dumi niya, full of bacteria. I have my gloves again, okay? Now, I have to remove it. How I'm going